Hello everyone, welcome to Nature and Nature Boy. In this video I am going to tell you the top 10 flowering plants which can be used to make bonsai in a very easy way, even for beginners. And also I had made top 10 fruit plants which can be used to make bonsai. You can click on the I button, you can see that. And also I will make another two videos, the top 10 ornamental plants and top 10 flowering trees which can be used for making bonsai in my further video. If you do not want to watch the full video, then I have kept the list of this top 10 in the descriptions, you can look at there. So without any delay, let's move to the video. So before moving to the top 10, 5 important points we have to be considered while selecting any plants for the bonsai preparation. So the first point is the plant should be zero in maintenance. It should not be so sensitive of light, so sensitive of water and anything. And the third thing is that it can withstand heavy pruning of its leaves or branches, anything, because as you know that pruning is one of the important point in bonsai. Fourth important point is that the plant should be attractive in its branch, its roots, its bark, whatever you can, it should be attractive. And the fifth one is select the healthy plants. Do not select the weak and diseased plant for the bonsai making. So these are the 5 important points we have to be considered while selecting any plants for the bonsai preparation. Okay, so in my top 10 list, the first flowering plant is the Adenium, the Adenium ovation or the desert rose. It is most commonly used flowering plants for bonsai preparation, and this is the best plant even for the beginners to start their bonsai. It is very zero maintenance, it doesn't require any care, it doesn't require any fertilizers, and it can grow even without water for more than 1 month. So this is one of the perfect flowering plants to start your bonsai preparation. And the second most beautiful flowering plant in my top 10 list is the Bougainvillea. In Bougainvillea we will find many species, many colors and many varieties. This is the second most commonly used flowering plants in the bonsai preparation after Adenium. It can withstand heavy pruning, it is a very zero maintenance plant, and it can be easily available any part of the country, and it is easy to propagate even from stem cutting. So this is all the qualities which makes the Bougainvillea to be the second most commonly used bonsai flowering plants. And the third most common flowering plant used for bonsai preparation is the Murraya paniculata or Kamini, and it have very small leaves, and it can withstand with heavy pruning, and it very fast coming new leaves. After pruning, the new leaves will come very fast, and it is easy to maintain, and it have white flowers which will give fragrance, and it's very easy to maintain. So this is the third one. And the fourth important flowering plant is the bottle brush, the Callistemon species. In this also you will find many different colors and many different varieties, so try to get the local varieties whichever you can find in your surrounding. And also this is very good because its flower looks really very amazing when you use for bonsai. There will be very little flowers, and also it is very easy to maintain, and it can be very easy to grow, and it doesn't need much care, much fertilizers. It can withstand light pruning, not heavy pruning. And the fifth most commonly used flowering plant is the powder puff, the Calliandra. We can also use this for making a bonsai because its leaves are very small and its flowers are very beautiful. Especially when you make bonsai, it looks very beautiful when it is in full bloom. So this is perfect plant because it is easy to grow, and always try to select the local varieties from your surrounding. And the sixth most important flowering plant is the hibiscus. I think it is very easily available everywhere. You can grow hibiscus, but it is not most commonly used flowering plant for bonsai when compared to others, but it is also used. And the seventh one is the crepe myrtle, the Lysostomia indica. If you want more varieties in flower for bonsai preparation, then you can select this also. Until now I have explained the native and most commonly used flowering plants for bonsai preparation, and now let's talk some of the exotic and rare flowering varieties which can also be used for making bonsai. In this, the first plant is the Azalea species. In this we can find many different colors, but this is mainly suitable for temperate and subtropical climatic conditions. And in this, the second one is the Wisteria. In Wisteria we have different colors like purple, white and yellow. You can use this Wisteria also for making bonsai, but this is also for temperate and subtropical climatic conditions. And the third one is the poinsettia. We can make bonsai even with poinsettia, and we can grow in temperate and subtropical climatic conditions also. And even if it is a dried and arid region, we can also grow poinsettia in indoor, and we can make our bonsai. And other flowering plants which can be used for making bonsai are Magnolia species. We have many different colors, and Camellia species we also have many different colors. So all these are for temperate and subtropical climatic conditions, not for the arid and tropical climatic conditions. So I think these are all the common flowering plants which can be used to make bonsai. So you can select whatever plants you want. If I missed some plants, then please mention in the comment box. And also you can also watch my top 10 plant videos which are very popular, especially for landscaping. And also you can ask me questions related to plants, nature and landscaping on my Instagram. I will keep all the links in the descriptions. You can go and watch there. So friends, see you in my next video.